So we got this Curt box. First name in towing products, you go to www.curtmfg.com. So Curt manufacturer, most likely made in the US. This side up. It's pretty light. So it's a code you can scan to take a tour of how the hitches are built. So that's cool. So you get the ball on this one. You get all the stuff in here, looks like. So let's see. Okay, so what was wrapped around here? You get all this. And you get. So what it contains, you got your instructions. This right here, the clip, you know, bolt, nut, bolt, 2 nuts. Notice the difference between these two and these right here. Then you get 2 of these and this one right here. So, and of course. So tools you will need that didn't come included is a drill with a step drill bit, a socket, a 19mm, and a ratchet, and some soapy water, and a spray bottle or water bottle would do fine with the hole in the middle. Pretty much that's it. Okay, you don't have to raise the car. I don't have it raised or anything. Of course it'll be easier, but you don't have to. This is on a 07 Honda Accord. Now for the soap. I don't know, let's see if it's easier to take it off from here. Oh, looks like it's easier taking it off from here. On the tire side, underneath, and there it is right there. I'll put soap on it. I'm gonna try to push it out, see what happens. I added soap, let it set up for a little bit. Maybe like this one probably be a little bit more harder than the first one. So let the soap soak in there, at least for a good minute or so. So here's on the other side, as you can see. They're the rubber mount, and then those are the two of those right there that came off from. So okay, it looks like it comes off from these two right here, not from the silver one, which comes out this way, attached to the muffler here. Exhaust. The way I was doing it, I was just from the passenger side, from the driver's side, like facing out, facing out, and I was just pushing that way, like that, back and forth, like the way you're doing right now, back and forth, till it comes out. It might seem impossible, but just keep doing it, and then in between, add more soapy water into it. Add more soapy water into it, like that. Add more soapy water to it, and eventually it'll come out. So okay, that's off. If you want to put something underneath that doesn't fully hang, that's fine. I tried to put the skateboard, but it's not high enough, so I may have to put a brick or something. But you can see. And what I'll do first is install the back one here, so at least has some support. And let's see. Okay, so I installed the back first so I could add some support. As you can see, the bolt came from this way, and here's the nut right here. It just tighten a little bit, so that gives me some, you know, support there, and on the other side as well. I might have to take it off, maybe, depends, we'll see. But I'm gonna try this way and we'll see. Okay, so most likely it's not gonna fit on your vehicle either. What we're gonna do is make the hole a little bigger, enough for it to go in. We're gonna use this drill bit, stepper bit, I believe it's called. Yeah. So let's take that off. And we're good. And just do little by little, don't do a lot. I'm gonna check and just keep checking. Okay, so it fits in there, sounds good. Now I'm gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna check the other side as well. Now this is gonna be hard. If you want, you could lower the hitch so you could do it. And then what I'm doing is with my knee pushing the muffler or the exhaust a little bit that way to get it away so I could fit. That should be good. Let's see. Maybe not. Okay, so if I do one side, yeah. Alright, so that should be good. Okay, so I screwed on the carriage bolt to the part that looks like a spring, and then wire the little bracket. What you do is, and then the other end, see how there's two holes? I'm gonna put the one we just made bigger to fish the wire through. I'll put this through first. There you go. So it should be looking like that. And basically you just you want to leave that this through. Alright, quick tip, with your middle finger, hold the top part of the carriage bolt and then take off the wire, and then once you take off the wire, put the nut onto the bolt, because if you don't hold it from inside, the bolt is gonna go back inside. So quick tip. So then once you do that, you tighten it, and then you put everything back. Okay, I tightened all the bolts with the 19mm socket actually, yeah, 19mm socket. So, and I mean, you can use the extension. I used it for the driver's side, but not for the passenger side. And the way I put back the boot, I'm laying underneath it like this, like so. I don't know if you can see me. My chest holding it up. With my chest holding it up, and then with my hand kind of like doing this, kind of like that, you know, slowly. And I put the liquid before. I also put the soapy liquid on the two metal bracket pointy things, whatever they are, and some on the rubber boot, on the rubber mount. Then little by little, you know, twisting, going in there and holding with my chest. And once I got it up, once I got some of it in there, I just started pushing on this. So kind of like wiggling inside, like we did when we took it off, by the opposite side, and it worked, as you can see. See these right here? I don't know if you can see this. These are all the way in, so, or all the way out, I should say, showing, in other words. So there you go. So pant room, as you can see. Let's see. Let's fit this one in. Cool. Let's see. It's cool. And I don't know if you can see that it's Curt Euro mount, 3,500 pounds gross trailer weight, and then 350 pounds max tongue weight. So, and it's a 2-inch ball. There you go. It's not bad. This would take, I would say, I don't know anything. I mean, this is my first time putting one, and it took me, I would say, like an hour and a half. So if you don't know anything, that's fine. It was easy enough to do it. So good luck. If you have any questions or any comments, just do them right below. And if you like this video, of course, always appreciate it if you share and like it, and thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Till next video.